If you're paying over $150 per month for power, then this short video may be the most important video you've watched all month long. You see, thanks to a little known tax loophole, you can save 30%, 50%, 80%. Heck, we've literally seen normal everyday people save 99% on their power bills by exploiting this hidden tax hack. It's pissing off the power companies, but those greedy rich guys have been robbing you and I blind for years, if not decades. Now, it's the everyday Joe who can give the middle finger to the billion-dollar power corporations who have been bleeding us dry. I don't know what tastes sweeter, the taste of revenge or the taste of saving hundreds every month and being able to take my wife and kids out to the fanciest restaurants in town. My neighbor keeps asking how the heck I'm doing it, and as soon as he took advantage of the opportunity, his bills were cut in half within just 6 short weeks, and slashed by 78% within 90 short days. Heck, even my not-so-sharp brother-in-law, Sal, was able to profit from the hidden loophole. In fact, now he's getting paid every month by something called net metering. I won't bore you with the scientific details, but basically it's when your solar panels suck up so much extra energy that you can actually sell that energy back for a profit. Imagine turning a $200 bill every single month into you actually making $50 or $100 profit or more. And like I said, he's not exactly the sharpest knife in the drawer, if you catch my drift. So if he can do it, so can you. And not to sound like a jerk, but the environmental benefits were really the icing on top. I know. I should look at it as a great way to help protect the planet and save the world from global warming, which is causing complete havoc and chaos in places like Australia right now with their wildfires. So in a way, I look at taking advantage of this loophole as my small way to make the world a better place for my kids. Solar panels were always for the tree-hugging types, but I'll be honest and tell you the truth. I did it to save a buck. Or should I say a few $100 every single month. It's completely legal. In fact, it's the government's way of incentivizing normal, everyday people like you and I to help solve global warming. But here's the catch. You only qualify for the massive savings if you live in certain zip codes. So this isn't for everyone. The survey is on the next page, and if you do qualify, then you may see up to 50% off your power bill every single month. What could you do with that money? Take that much needed vacation to the beach? Take your wife out to a romantic dinner that she's been absolutely begging for. Get that little toy you've been dreaming of but simply couldn't afford. Or would it just help you to breathe a little bit easier at the end of every month? Do you want to take back some of your hard-earned money that the greedy energy companies have stolen from you? If you said yes, then you need to fill out the survey on the next page and see if you qualify to get all this and much, much more. It's quick and easy to get started. It literally takes just 30 seconds, and it could be the first step towards your financial freedom. But here's my own word of warning. The government loophole is being discovered by more and more people every single day. So take advantage of it before it runs out and expires. Apply now before someone else steals your spot. Good luck.